Finally, let's look at Google Gemini. If you're a heavy user of Google Docs, Gmail, or Drive, this is likely where you'll spend most of your time. Gemini's biggest advantage isn't just that it's a smart chatbot, it's that it's deeply connected to the files you're already working on. Go to gemini.google.com. Like the others, there's a free version that's incredibly capable. But the real magic happens when you see it integrated into your workspace. I'm in Google Docs, and I can open the Gemini side panel right here. Watch. I'll ask it to summarize the project proposal in my Drive and draft 3 social media posts based on it. Because it has access to my files, I didn't have to explain the context or copy-paste anything, it just knows. It works in Gmail too. Here's a long email thread about the team offsite we planned earlier. I'll click Help Me Write and just say, draft a professional reply confirming my attendance. It reads the whole thread and gets the details right without me needing to recap them. Gemini for deep Google integration, Claude for polished writing, and ChatGPT for fast general tasks. You now have the 3 biggest tools in your toolkit. Try this yourself. Open a Google Doc and see what Gemini can do with your existing files. Next, hallucination's the one AI habit that trips up almost everyone at some point.